In this chapter, we will learn what is the meaning of analytical chemistry. The chapter is Introduction to Analytical Chemistry. Question is, what is the meaning of analytical chemistry? So we learned that there are there are how many types of chemistry? Five types of chemistry, and we know the definition of each chemistry: organic, inorganic, physical, analytical, and fifth one is biochemistry. What is analytical chemistry? There, at that time in the lecture, we learned a short definition. Let us go for the correct definition and more precise definition is: it is a branch of chemistry in which we study we do the separation of the compounds, then identification and determination of qualitative and quantitative analysis, and there are 4 points we should know. So it is a branch of chemistry. Yes, which branch of chemistry branch of chemistry branch of chemistry which deals with the study of deals with the study of deals with the study of 4 points. I will write SIQQ SIQQ: separation, study of separation, separation is to isolation, separation, identification, identification, qualitative and quantitative. Q for qualitative, and one Q for quantitative. Qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative and SIQQ: separation, identification, qualitative and quantitative, determination of qualitative and quantitative, determination of composition of different substances, composition of different or various substances. So this is the definition of. So from this definition we can easily get idea that what is the meaning of analytical chemistry. We perform 4 things: separation, identification, and qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, this is called as the definition. Separation, there are 6 techniques, sometimes 7 techniques of separation. So next topic will be that. Identification, there are various instrumental technique by using these techniques we can identify. There are many techniques advanced. And quantitative and qualitative analysis means these we perform in the laboratory. Normal laboratory we can do this in the laboratory. So we have a forensic lab and many things. So this is what the analytical chemistry. Okay, fine. What is the meaning of quantitative analysis? What is the meaning of qualitative analysis? Let us go first. Separation of the separation techniques means what we do in the separation. Suppose sample is given to you. Okay, think about example of metallurgy. So we have many industries in our city, around us, in the world, and in our country. One of the industries is the metallurgy, where the metals are purification of metals are carried out, right? And the industry which do this business, this process called as metallurgical industries. What we do in metallurgy, we collect the material. It is called as ore, O-R-E, ore from the mines. We take these mines to the industry, and there we perform the four procedures. First procedure we do what? The concentration procedure. So what they do in this? They powdered the ore, the ore the ore which is brought from the mines. They make powder of that ore, and then that powdered ore they add into the very big tank of containing water. Why? Because their aim is to separate out the dusts and earthy metal soils like that, and to separate out this from the our metal part. So this is one of the technique called as a metal separation technique. So this is analytical technique, right? So there are many techniques we do at our home. You might have heard about the curd, making of curd from milk, and taking of this butter from the milk. The procedure is nothing but same separation of these fats from the milk. So actually analytical chemistry we perform at our home also. Okay, right. So separation. What is the meaning of identification? Separation also include distillation. It's one of the technique. Distillation is also the technique of separation. We use the liquids, mixture of liquid, and we separate one by one from and the base of boiling point. One of the method of separation is called as a chromatography. The mixture is given of 4,5,3 compounds. By use of concept of chromatography, we can separate these things. Okay. Then one of the very good technique of separation is called as crystallization. Next point will be that one, crystallization. Right? Fine. So these are the technique of separation. What is the identification? What is the meaning of identification? Identification we carried out generally by using the this instrumental technique, mass spectrometry, proton NMR spectrum. Many things, advanced instruments are there in identification. And another one is quantitative analysis. What we do in quantitative analysis means in quantitative analysis, quantity we measure the quantity of the given sample. Quantity of given sample means what is the percentage of elements. Suppose a sample is given to you and the unknown sample is there. So from that unknown sample, suppose it is organic. So you can measure the what is the percentage of carbon, what is the percentage of hydrogen, what is the percentage of oxygen, what is the percentage of nitrogen. This is called as quantity, means amount. Another is qualitative analysis, in which we find out whether the present or not. Qualitative means we do not go for count, keep how much, not how much, what is there and what is not. We do in the qualitative analysis. In qualitative analysis, we find out the present and absence of elements in qualitative analysis. Okay, fine. So that's all. This is what the analytical chemistry. Our next point is what?